What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Starting off by washing the Evo really quick. Last time I drove it was like 2 weeks ago during the TJ Hunt meet at Zoomies, and it was already dirty back then, so it definitely needs to wash. I'm gonna do that really quick, and then we will head to the skate park. Stop to get something to drink really quick because it's gonna be another hot day. Yeah, there's no shade at the skate park, so it's gonna be really hot. Probably get like some water. I'm almost done with my Arizona right now. Probably an energy drink. I didn't have one last night, so my body needs it. All right, shadow's all clean finally. It's so embarrassing driving with a dirty car, especially when you go to a car meet. Always good to see a clean car. Two energy drinks and two of these 7-Eleven replenish waters. I love these things. Plus they're cheap. It's better than Gatorade for me. And no, I'm not gonna drink these two today. I'm saving one for work later tonight. All right, guys, we're at the skate park. I've honestly been skating for a while now. We're about to head out, but I want to get some clips for the videos, so I'm thinking I want to do a backside 180 over here, a nose slide over here on this little curb, and then maybe a nose slide on that ledge over there. So let's set up the camera. All right, that should be good right there. Yeah, a little ollie. Yeah. All right. I love that feeling. Yeah. How did that one look? Here goes nothing. Oh, I had that one. Oh my God. I didn't fully commit. Oh man, whatever. Yeah. All right, just finished up the skate stash. We're about to go get some tacos, something to eat, and it's been really hot. It's like really hot right now, so we're beat up. I'm using some new shoes, so I've never been a fan of new shoes. I always like to break them in, and then I can start doing my tricks because they have too much grip. But not too bad. I'm using my old board with old grip tape, so the grip wasn't too bad. And then next week I'll just throw in my new skateboard that you guys saw in the previous video of me painting, and then hopefully we can tray flip up the ramp. We're at the taco shop. Paul found some good tacos. What's up, Chiefer? Chief brought the Altima today. He didn't want to skate he didn't want to bring the skate mobile. And then we got Paul and Reef over here. Perfect. We got some tacos now, and Reef is already starting to eat. Look at her face. I'm just chilling in the room now. I've been home for about 2 hours. It's freaking hot outside. I got cold AC, and I just cut out some Shoes Garage vinyl for the new shirts. I bought some new shirts, 3 new shirts. I really enjoy watching TJ's old videos.
Okay. You're good. Now go left.
Oh man, I really miss the old vlogs, man.
I want to drive this car fast.
I've watched all of TJ's videos from day one, and I really enjoy his videos because he started out like every one of us, man, from the bottom, and he worked himself up. And although I do enjoy his new videos, I enjoy the old ones better. Like, I always go back whenever I'm eating or just doing like my own little projects, working on the cars. Instead of putting on music, I put his old videos in the background and just listen to them. And I think I like them a lot more than the new videos, simply because it relates to the majority of us, where we're at a point where we don't have money to spend and dump onto the cars. We don't have the money to buy new wheels every week or a new exhaust every week. And it's more of like, he found a way to just make videos, and I think that's what I like most about TJ's old videos. But yeah, anyways, got back home from skating, ate some tacos with the boys, and so now I'm making some t-shirts. So we're back in the R32. I'm gonna go for a little drive. I'm still trying to get confident with this car ever since the wheel bolts broke. I know I should replace all of them, and I'm just trying to see if the wheel holds up, if anything else weird happens. If it does, then I'll for sure order them, but as of right now, I'm trying to just see if I can continue driving the car like that. I don't know, I'm kind of risking it, so let's go for a little drive, get some POV videos for you guys.